Title: US-India Trade Tensions, a Complex Game of Energy and Exports Summary. The 25% tariffs imposed by President Trump on Indian goods are seen as a negotiation tactic to persuade India to boost its purchases of American energy products. However, India's tight corporate margins, cost-conscious markets, long-term contracts, slowing economy, and geographical proximity to other energy exporters limit its ability to significantly increase US energy imports in the near term. Concurrently, the United States is India's largest export market, accounting for nearly 20% of Indian exports. This trade imbalance will compel both sides to swiftly heal their trade ties. The rapid surge in India's Russian oil purchases since mid-2022 has been a point of contention, with an almost 15-fold increase in Russian crude imports from 3.2 million barrels a month to 50 million barrels a month. This shift not only provided Russia with crucial earnings amid its Ukraine crisis but also enabled Indian refiners like Reliance to expand supplies and fuel economic growth since 2020. Switching to pricier US crude would significantly alter the economic outlook for these refiners, potentially causing a surge in fuel prices that could harm the economy. Despite the US's emphasis on liquefied natural gas, LNG, and coal as means of reducing trade gaps, Indian energy importers have limited flexibility to switch suppliers due to long-term contracts and steep shipping costs. This leaves India's negotiators with few options to close the trade gap, forcing them to look for alternatives in securing a US trade deal. The future of this complex relationship will depend on both nations' ability to strike a balance between their energy needs and trade ambitions.